Welcome back to Spacey Talk channel. Today we will talk about NASA missions and the American flag. Remembering home. This American flag flew outside one of the cupola windows of the International Space Station. NASA astronaut Jack Fisher captured the image during Expedition 51. Ed White's spacesuit was the first to feature the American flag after he performed the first U.S. spacewalk. The American flag has played a prominent role in NASA missions. Here's a look at the flag and NASA, in space, and on the ground. 4 big moments. NASA astronaut Peggy Whitson prepares for her 8th spacewalk inside the U.S. Quest airlock with the American flag displayed prominently and proudly on her spacesuit. Rights extended. On Election Day 2016, the United States flag waved proudly outside the window of the cupola on the International Space Station to celebrate the vote for astronauts in space. For the country. The Horizontal Integration Facility, HIF, lies about a half-mile from Launch Pad 0A and notably displays the U.S. flag. The orbital ATK Antares rocket also displays the flag as it makes its way to NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. From the start. On June 28, 2016, at the Orbital ATK Propulsion System Test Facility in Promontory, Utah, the Space Launch System's booster rocket, with its American flag decoration, undergoes its second and final qualification motor, QM2, test. Honor for the flag. On Flag Day, June 14, 2015, NASA astronaut Scott Kelly celebrated by snapping this image of the United States flag in the cupola of the International Space Station. Proudly worn. During 2015's Expedition 45, NASA astronaut and Expedition Commander Scott Kelly participates in a fit check of his spacesuit, with U.S. flag on the left shoulder, in preparation for a spacewalk. 4 firsts. On August 30, 1984, the Space Shuttle Discovery made its maiden space flight. The shuttle launched from Kennedy Space Center carrying America's second woman in space, Judith Resnick. The American flag was inscribed near the main engines. For the cosmos. The United States flag even makes it onto other planets, as seen on NASA's Mars rover Curiosity. The flag medallion is on one of the rover's 4 mobility rocker arms. For the nation. During a State of NASA address in the Neil Armstrong Operations and Checkout Building February 2, 2015, the U.S. flag hangs proudly over NASA Administrator Charles Bolden as he presents NASA's budget rollout. Keeping the mission in mind. At Northrop Grumman, in Redondo Beach, California, the American flag even features on the facility where a major test for NASA's James Webb Space Telescope Sun Shield is performed. Identifying patches. Astronauts John Grunsfeld, at bottom, and Andrew Ferstel worked to repair the Hubble Space Telescope with American flags clearly seen on the outside of their spacesuits. Majesty. A 209-foot-tall U.S. flag on the side of the 52-story Vehicle Assembly Building, VAB, offers a Patriot background as an adult osprey carries a fish to its nest on a speaker platform in the press side parking lot at NASA's Kennedy Space Center. Team building. In a what became a traditional astronaut image, the STS-135 and Expedition 28 crews pose for a photo in a microgravity circle holding a U.S. flag. On Mars. Viking L's Camera 1 captured sand dunes and large rocks along with the American flag on the vehicle itself on Mars. The late afternoon sun hangs high in the left of the image. Star of the cosmos. The Apollo 17 crew captured this close-up view of the United States flag with the crescent Earth in the background. Thank you and see you on next video. Like and subscribe for more movie in Spacey Talk channel.